So here's an easy guide on how to deposit money to trade crypto. In this case, we're going to be using Bitunix. If you haven't signed up for Bitunix yet, click on my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK. So once you're logged into your account, head over to Assets on the top right and then go to Deposit. So as you can see, we're currently in the section that says Deposit Crypto. So from here, all you need to do is select a token. So scroll through and select it. So after you're done selecting the token, you need to select Network. So scroll through and select whichever network is applicable. So after you're done, you'll get to see a QR code for the deposit address, or you can also copy the code right here. You can use both the QR code or the address, whichever you prefer. You can also see some additional details on the bottom, like minimum deposit, deposit confirmations, etc. So this is exactly how you can deposit money to trade on Bitunix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.